Hello everybody, it's Tim from TD Sports Cards. Today we're going to be opening up 2 boxes of Archives Baseball. So I've opened up a bunch of blasters today and still haven't pulled an auto. So hopefully in one of these there's an auto of some sort. 7 packs plus 2 bonus, Topps coins inside. So obviously the coins, Judge, Trout, Harper, Ohtani, Hoskins, Gleiber, Andujar, Acuna, Albies. So those are the main ones, pretty much. So, hopefully we can pull something out of here. Those are what the coins look like. So let's see what happens there. And yeah, 7 packs and then the 2 coins. So we're gonna open up 2 of these. I don't normally do 2 blasters in one sitting, but we're gonna do it. And then we got the Sandlot movie cards. Those are pretty cool. A lot of people like those. So they sell well. So, but we're looking for some sort of a boom of some sort. I said, hope preferably an auto of some sort, or maybe a low numbered card or something. So we'll see. Like I said, if anything that I open up, I usually either send in and get graded, which takes about 3.5 months, unfortunately, because usually I send regular base stuff into PSA, and right now it's like 65-day waiting period. But you can check it out on my my eBay. Any of the cards, or I do have graded cards on there, autograph cards of a bunch of players and so on. And then I do have group breaks for, I have a base 2017 TriStar Autograph Baseball Series 9. I'll be break number 6. There's 28 spots left, and there's the new one that just came out last week, the TriStar Series 10. I'm on break number 3. And then last year, the TriStar Football Mini Helmet. And then 2018 TriStar Game Day Greats Football Jersey Break. Those are the group breaks that I have listed through my eBay store. So, if you're interested, go grab a few spots and we'll break them. I'll send them out to you. All right, and like I said, it was the break number 1 of the 2018 TriStar. That one I pulled an Acuna for somebody, so that was pretty cool. Sent that out to him. He was happy. Big ball. So let's see what we can do. See if we can't pull anything good. And let's rock and roll. All right. I like doing the blasters because you never know. Some things are only in blasters. They'll surprise you. They're $20, so I picked up. You pick up a few of them. There are the coins. We'll save the coins for last. But see if we can't pull some good rookies out of this. Right there off the bat, Rafael Devers. Pretty cool. I like that one. AJ Pollock, Teoscar Hernandez, Carson Fulmer, Nick Markakis, and we got a Sandlot right off the bat. Michael Squints, Palladorius, the Sandlot. Pretty cool. If you haven't watched that movie, it's classic. Limited edition Topps card commemorating the 25th anniversary of the Sandlot. So, pretty cool. Got the Sandlot card. We have Althea and Xander. All right. There we go. Giancarlo. Very good. Mr. Duke Snyder. Great player. Josh Bell. Tommy Pham. Dodgers Dynamos. Peterson, Puig, and Kemp. Pretty cool insert. Alex Bregman. Gary Sanchez. And Solarte from Toronto. All right. Got Noah Syndergaard. Jackie Bradley Jr. Danny Duffy. Rafael Iglesias. Turner. Jose Barrios. He's a good pitcher. Mr. Frank Thomas. Loved him. He was an awesome player. And Bob Lemon. Yep, Frank Thomas he was great. Didn't do no PEDs, and he put up all those numbers that he did. All right, we got Manny Margot. Sean Manaea, which actually he's had a great year. All right. I almost thought that was autoed for a second. Ozzie Smith. David Ortiz. Zach Cozart. Oh, here's a nice one. Very nice. A little bit off center, but nice. Acuna, Albies, and Guhara. Pretty cool. Like I said, it's a little bit off center. Still a good looking card though. We got Cespedes and Cueto. This is a thicker card. Yeah. Well, I guess it's about the same. Probably a little bit thicker. Sometimes these things just don't want to rip easy, especially these kind of plastic ones. Austin Meadows. I like him. He's a good player. That was a big trade. Now he's in Tampa. Kushel. Aaron Judge. I got a good one right behind it too. And my bigger cards I always top load. It's a good chance once I go back through and check them out. I look at the centering. Actually, that's an easy 10 right there. That's a beauty. This is one of my favorite players that's up. It was traded to San Diego. Francisco Maya. Rookie. Yep. He's going to be a good player. Look at some of his numbers. He can definitely hit. Bruce Sutter. Mr. Mark McGwire. Oh, there we go. And we got an Altuve in the back. Andujar. That boy can hit. He's hit 300 all year. He's been so consistent. He's been around that 290, 300 all year. I think last time I looked, he was at 296 or 7 or something like that. But great looking player. All right, Justin Verlander, one of my PCs. Pretty cool. Evan Longoria. Mr. Rhino. Mr. Schwarber. Tim Beckham, former first-round pick. And Topps rookie history. Reggie Jackson. Good insert. Yeah, it's pretty cool. George Kell and Edgar Martinez, Mr. DH. All right. Let's see what we got here. Greg Maddux, Hall of Fame, big piece of cake. Harrison Bader. This guy can play. For those of you that don't watch too many of the of the games. This guy is a player. It's been like 270, 275 or something like that. Has some home runs. Great defense. So he's going to be around. He's got a spot for next year. That's for sure. It's hard to tell if these are, which ones are the actual autos. I'm trying to look for the glare and can't tell in some of these. But Carlos Santana, Ozuna, Daniel Murphy, Mike Soroka, rookie, Woodruff, rookie, and Tony Perez. Very classic. All right, so that's box number 1. Let's see what we got in box number 2. So we got some good pulls so far. All right, there's the other coins. We'll open those, like I said, that up with the other one at the end. All right, let's see if we can't pull something good out of this. Got Luis Castillo, Lorenzo Cain, Will Myers, Piscotty, Anthony Rizzo, Thomas Nido for the Mets, Rookie Killebrew, and Hall of Fame Glavine. All right, Nicky Delmonico, rookie. Another one of my PCs. Goldie. George Springer, World Series MVP last year. Didi Gregorius. We got Tommy Timmons, the Sandlot. Pretty cool. Again, it's one of the 25th anniversaries of it. So I've got 2 of those then. Corey Kluber, potential future Hall of Famer. Justin Pedroia, Sean Newcomb. All right. We got Mr. Piazza, Willie Adames, Eddie Murray, Robin Yount, Bob Feller. We got another Twin Terrors, Barrios and Rosario. Good little insert. Gregory Polanco and Elvis Andrus. All right. Got the Goose. Don Mattingly. Great player. Alcides Escobar. De Renard. Hunter Pence. There we go. Mike Trout. Like I always top load Trouts. Trouts, Judges, like I said, all the main names. Because these are high percentage. Some of them are high percentage Hall of Fame. Jose Ramirez is having a great year. And Starlin Castro. All right, we got Mr. Benny. Benintendi. Tehran, Max Fried rookie. Pedro. Ryan McMahon rookie. Here's a good card. Jack Flaherty, Harrison Bader, and Alex Mejia. I always like these cards. You can go back to the old tops. But those are pretty good cards. Rod Carew and Willie Sturgill. There, we got 2 packs left. All right, we got Odubel, Blake Snell, who in my opinion should win the Cy Young this year. That's my opinion. It's a good pitcher, actually. Andrew Miller, Tommy Lasorda, George Brett, Jack Morris, Matt Duffy. I like him. I've watched him more and more lately. Reggie Jackson. Matt Duffy can play. A little skinny guy, but he's got a little bit of pop, and he hits 300. It's hard to hit 300. When you get so many guys that can do it, you can get some big rallies. Edwin, Chrissy Nieluk, having a great year. Tyler O'Neill, rookie. Yep, like him. Austin Hayes. There we go. Topps rookie history. John Smoltz. I used to have his Topps traded card back in the day. Good looking card. That's a copy of his old rookie card. Very cool. We got Michael Fulmer, Jose Abreu, and Buster Posey. All right. So no autos in that. At least I can tell. So we're going to open up some of these coins and see what's see what we can get. Oh, there's a decent name. All right, so we got Scotty Smalls from the Sandlot. Haha, look at that. Scotty Smalls. It's pretty cool. And we got Chris Bryant. All right. Ugh, these things are a little tough. There we go. Let's make it easy. That one, first one is Ahmad Rosario. Cool beans. And yeah, these are a piece of work. Alright, and the second one, got another Chris Bryant. So I got two Chris Bryants in two different boxes. Alright, so it wasn't bad overall. Got a Sandlot, two Chris Bryants, a Med Rosario for those. Got Harrison Bader and Flaherty. Reggie Jackson, Topps rookie history. John Smoltz, Topps rookie history. Got two Sandlot ones. We got Tommy and Squints. So that's pretty cool. I got a regular Mike Trout. Harrison Bader rookie. Miguel Andujar. Francisco Maya. Aaron Judge. And another one with Acuna, Albies, and Gohara. Another one of these, so wasn't bad. And then we had some other rookies out of it. We ended up with the Devers, Hayes, Tyler O'Neill. I like him. Actually, that Ryan McMahon, Freed, Delmonico, Nito, Soroka, Woodruff, and Austin Meadows. I think now will have a great year. He's going to get tons of playing time in Tampa. So I think he's going to start shining next year. But wasn't bad. Like I said, I would like to pop an auto, but wasn't meant to be, I guess. So, but thank you all for joining. Like I said, you can like, subscribe, comment, and if you're interested in anything, go to my eBay and check it out. I'll have some of these cards listed on there. And some of them I'll send in and get graded. So when I get them back slabbed, they'll be back up for sale. You can check out the group breaks, and we will catch you next time. Thank you.